Hi all, let's see action delegate in C sharp. Action delegate is a built-in generic delegate and it's same as func delegate except that action delegate doesn't return a value. Consider this sum method. This method doesn't have a return value. When we want to access this method using delegate, we have to declare the delegate which should match our method signature and have to create an object for the delegate and assign our method name and have to call that object to access that method. But by using action delegate, we assign our method directly to our action delegate object and call that object to access our method. Inside angle brackets of action delegate, we have to provide the number of input parameter data type of accessed method. Here we are passing two input parameters, both are integer type. So in comma int. Action delegate is used with a method that has a void return type. Let's see an example. Here created a sample console application and here created a sum method which is having no return value. Let's access this function using action delegate. Inside main function, action, and inside angle bracket, we have to provide the number of input parameters type. Here we are passing two integer values. So in comma int, and close the angle bracket, then create an object for delegate is equal to name of the method. Then call the object. And inside the parenthesis, pass the parameters value. Let's check by running. Here we access the method using action delegate successfully. If the method have no input parameter like this, then no need to provide the angle bracket for action delegate. Just directly assign the method. Let's see. Here the result. We can also assign lambda expression or anonymous method to action delegate. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.